Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's A-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And today we're demonstrating a unit out of a Lincoln. I'm not sure what year Lincoln. The customer is coming over in about an hour and a half to pick it up, so the pressure's on now. This is from Jim. I don't know where he's from because he was a guy who just dropped his radio off, so probably Phoenix or somewhere not too far from Phoenix, maybe even somewhere across the country, and he's come through and dropped off his radio. Who knows? But anyway, this is a modern conversion. This is now an AM/FM radio with an 8-track built in, and this customer has requested my cool little master connection box with all our preamp outputs, subwoofer output, and aux input. So that's all on that box. And then the customer has also requested the USB and Bluetooth features. So we're going to, before I continue, let me run and grab the little USB stick I have my radio commercial on, and I'll be right back. Okay, sorry about that, folks. Let's go ahead and turn this puppy on. I've got it set to FM at the moment. Let's everything, all got our power and everything.
Today in Winslow, 73 expected in Payson.
Okay, we'll just run through all the presets. I've got them all preset to local stations.
Sedona should cool off the vehicles. Go through a deep.
Okay, now we're going to switch to AM real quick, and on this radio we just turn it off and then right back on to go to AM, so it's off. And now we're on the AM band. There's 1 week station. And there's our strong AM station. So we'll go back to FM. Alrighty, we're gonna pop and you know, let's try a couple of things first. Okay, let's check our output level meters here. Okay, going to rotate our balance control all the way to the left, all the way to the right. Turn it up a little bit more. All the way left. So there's our balance control. And now we also have a front rear fader that is in the tone control. We activate our front rear fader by giving our tone control 2 turns to the right. So let's try that. I'm going to rotate it to the center so I've got room to turn it to the right. 2 turns to the right. Okay, it didn't work that time. Let's try it again. It can take a couple tries. Especially when the tone control has a... Okay, I didn't do it fast enough, I guess. There we go. Fader adjust. Okay, so now the same control is adjusting our front rear speaker balance. Okay, I'm going to center the speakers. Let the function time out. Fader set. Okay, now let's try activating again since I had a little trouble the first time. I just didn't take it through enough range, so let's try it again. There we go. Okay, just wanted to make sure I could do it twice in a row. On this radio, you got to rotate it pretty much through its full range to activate the front rear fader. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode. We do that by giving our volume control 2 turns to the right. Should hear a lady come on saying, Bluetooth ready to pair. Okay, so the unit it's now trying to pair with a portable audio device, and in 90 seconds she'll come back on saying pairing not completed. While we're waiting for that, we'll test the USB, make sure it plays my radio commercial. We don't need this stuff anymore, I guess. Okay, just going to plug my USB stick into the dongle, and my radio commercial should start playing. Okay, I'm going to pull the stick out. Radio comes back, so that confirms the Bluetooth and USB functions. Let us try now the 8-track function. And since I'm the world leader in 8-track repair, I think you're going to be pretty happy with the sound. Nice, bright sounding 8-track. I've actually, before I plugged the tape in, my 8-track preamp, I replaced the preamp in these converter radios with one that sounds much brighter. So you may actually have too much treble from this tape, and if that's the case, just back off the tone control, because on an older tape that's lost a lot of its brightness, you're going to need that extra treble. So let's go ahead and plug this tape in. Alrighty, change tracks a bunch of times. Okay, as promised, that lady came back on saying pairing not completed. Alrighty, pull the tape out, radio should come back. Okay, there's our radio back. And now the last test is the dial light. Make sure it flashes on and off. In response to my command, you can see that dial light coming on and off. Okay, and that takes care of it.